In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring your own pictures into Copilot so you can ask questions about them, get explanations, or even generate new ideas based on what you upload. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Copilot website. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account so that your experience is saved and personalized. If you're not signed in, you may see a prompt to log in or create an account. Take a moment to do that before continuing. Once you're on the main Copilot page, you'll see the familiar chat box where you can normally type your questions. To upload an image, look just to the left of that text field. There should be a small icon that looks like a camera or a picture. This is the image upload button. Click on that icon, and a file selection window will open. From here, navigate to the folder on your computer that contains the image you want to use. Copilot works best with standard image formats like JPEG and PNG. Select your image and click Open. You'll now see a thumbnail of that image appear above or beside your message field inside Copilot. If you change your mind, you can usually remove the image before sending by clicking a small X or close icon near the thumbnail. Now that the image is attached, click in the text box and type what you want Copilot to do with it. For example, you might say, "Describe this image, extract the text from this photo," or "Help me analyze this chart." Being specific in your prompt helps Copilot give you more accurate and useful results. When you're ready, press Enter or click the Send button. Copilot will process the image and then respond with its analysis. This may take a few seconds, especially for complex or high-resolution pictures. So don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. If you want to upload another image, simply repeat the same process. Click the image icon, choose a new file, and then add your instructions. You can even combine text and images in a conversation, referring back to previous uploads by saying things like, "Compare this image to the last one." That's all there is to it. You've learned how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot and how to get meaningful help based on those images.